how to buy basic Bome token. So this token came under the symbol of Bome. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 7 hours ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. And this token trending number 6 on base network. So to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here and open your wallet. For that I will use the Bitget wallet. Go and click on your wallet and select the base as a network from here. After that, click on this plus icon, paste the token address here and click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added, that's called Bome. So as you can see, after you find it, click on it and click on swap here. Switch from here, from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, and make sure that you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. As you can see, this is it. Now after that, it's easy and simple. Just click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy a Bome token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.